Why is Pacta Sunt Servanda essential for international treaties? Imagine a world where countries make promises but don't have to keep them. Chaos would follow, and trust among nations would vanish. That's why the rule of Pacta Sunt Servanda is so important. It means agreements must be kept, and it's the backbone of international law. When countries sign treaties, they agree to follow certain rules and obligations. This principle makes sure they stick to their promises in good faith. Without it, treaties would be meaningless, and international cooperation would fall apart. This rule helps create stability and predictability in global relations. Countries can plan their actions knowing others will honor their commitments. For example, trade agreements, security pacts, and environmental treaties all relying on this principle. If one country could just ignore its promises, trust would break down and conflicts could rise. It's like a promise between friends. If one breaks it, the friendship suffers. The same applies to nations. From an ethical point of view, Pacta Sunt Servanda reflects honesty and fairness. It says that when you agree to something, you should follow through. Politically, it supports order in international affairs. When countries respect their treaties, it reduces the chances of disputes turning into conflicts. It also encourages countries to negotiate in good faith, knowing their commitments will be respected. There's also a connection to the idea of due cogens, which are fundamental rules of international law. These rules, like prohibitions against genocide or slavery, override treaty obligations if they conflict. This means that while treaties are important, they can never violate core human rights or ethical standards. Practically, this principle makes international cooperation smoother. Countries trust that others will honor their commitments on issues like climate change, peacekeeping, or human rights. It provides a legal framework that supports global efforts to solve big problems. Without Pacta Sunt Servanda, international law would lack the strength to enforce agreements, and the world would be less safe and less fair. In essence, Pacta Sunt Servanda is what keeps the promise of international treaties alive. It ensures that nations act in good faith, fostering trust and stability. This is vital for justice, governance, and the peaceful coexistence of countries around the world.